Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Moringa oleifera, often referred to as the drumstick tree or miracle tree, has gained widespread recognition for its exceptional nutritional value and medicinal properties. Among the various forms in which moringa is consumed, moringa powder stands out as a concentrated source of its potent benefits. Nutrient information. Moringa powder is derived from the leaves of the moringa tree, which is native to parts of Africa and Asia. These leaves are a nutritional powerhouse, containing a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Moringa is particularly rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, calcium, and iron. It also contains essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source for those following plant-based diets. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. One of the key reasons for the surge in popularity of moringa powder is its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The presence of bioactive compounds like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene contributes to its ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This makes moringa powder a valuable dietary addition for those looking to support overall health and well-being. Number 2. Balancing blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that moringa may help regulate blood sugar levels. Compounds found in moringa have been observed to enhance insulin sensitivity, potentially aiding in the management of diabetes. While more research is needed, early findings highlight the promising role of moringa in blood sugar control. Number 3. Cholesterol management. Moringa has also been linked to improvements in lipid profiles. Regular consumption of moringa powder may contribute to a reduction in cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol. This cardiovascular benefit adds to the array of reasons why individuals are incorporating moringa into their daily routines. Number 4. Antimicrobial and immune boosting effects. The bioactive compounds in moringa exhibit antimicrobial properties, helping the body fight off infections. Additionally, the rich content of vitamins and minerals supports a robust immune system. Regular consumption of moringa powder may enhance the body's defense mechanisms, reducing the susceptibility to common illnesses. Number 5. Digestive health support. Moringa has been traditionally used to promote digestive health. The fiber content aids in smooth digestion and may alleviate issues such as constipation. Moreover, moringa's anti-inflammatory properties extend to the digestive tract, potentially soothing gastrointestinal discomfort. Number 6. Joint health and anti-arthritic potential. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa extend to its potential in managing joint disorders. Some studies suggest that moringa may help reduce symptoms associated with arthritis, offering relief to individuals dealing with joint pain and inflammation. Number 7. Skin health. The antioxidants in moringa powder are not only beneficial internally but also for the skin. Regular consumption may contribute to a healthier complexion by neutralizing free radicals that contribute to premature aging. Additionally, moringa powder can be applied topically in face masks or creams for a direct skincare boost. There are various creative ways to include moringa powder in your diet. It has a mildly earthy and slightly bitter taste, blending well with both sweet and savory dishes. Adding a teaspoon of moringa powder to smoothies, juices, or yogurt is a popular choice. It can also be sprinkled on salads, soups, or incorporated into energy bars for a nutritious kick. Moringa tea, made by steeping moringa powder in hot water, is another delightful way to enjoy its benefits. Moringa powder stands as a testament to the incredible potential of nature to provide both nourishment and healing. Whether you are looking to fortify your immune system, manage chronic conditions, or simply enhance your overall well-being, moringa powder offers a convenient and versatile solution. As with any supplement or dietary addition, it's advisable to approach moringa with a balanced perspective, considering individual health conditions and consulting healthcare professionals when needed. Embracing Moringa as part of a holistic approach to wellness exemplifies the harmonious connection between traditional wisdom and modern nutritional science. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video.